The United States of America is set to impose steep new tariffs on foreign-made drones with duties reaching up to 100% under a proclamation signed by President Donald Trump on August 14th. The tariffs will depend on drone size. Smaller drones will face a 25% duty, while drones weighing more than 25 kg will attract the maximum 100% tariff. Drone parts will also be taxed with rates starting at 10% for UK-made components and 15% for parts from the European Union, Japan, South Korea, Switzerland and Taiwan. The new tariffs will take effect between 21 and 180 days depending on the product classification. The Trump administration says the move is aimed at reducing US dependence on foreign drone supplies. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick reportedly found that drones and components from some foreign entities pose security and safety risks, while domestic production remains insufficient for US security needs. The move comes as drone warfare expands rapidly, particularly in Ukraine. It also comes amid concerns over the cost of using expensive US missile systems against cheaper drones. The tariff decision also coincides with growing efforts by Powerus, a Florida-based drone company owned by Trump's son Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, to market drones in several countries including Gulf nations.